Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to create this X and Y shake tutorial with Capcut. Before we begin, let's see how it looks. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment down below. With that being said, let's get started. Add your video clips into Capcut, go to Video Effects, select Oblique Blur. Place it at the beginning of the second video clip, tap Object, and select All Videos. Add keyframe at the beginning and at the end. On the first keyframe, set the blur to 100 and the rotate to 50. On the last keyframe, set the blur to 0. Copy it 4 times and place it at the beginning of the other video clips. Go to Video Effects, select Shake. Place it under the video effects. Tap Object and select All Videos. Add 2 keyframes. On the first keyframe, speed to 85 and intensity to 25. On the second keyframe, set the speed and intensity to 0. Duplicate it and place it on the other video effects. Now see how it looks. On the second video clip, go to Animation, select Combo, add Fall Right Animation. On the third clip, add Fall Bottom Right Animation. Repeat the same steps using Fall Right and Fall Bottom Right animation consecutively. Add a black background as overlay. Reduce the length to 0.3 seconds, make it full screen. Tap Animation, select Fade In. Duplicate the black overlay and place it at the end of the other video clips. Overlay a white background. Reduce the length to 0.3 seconds. Make it full screen. And select Blend, tap Overlay, reduce the value to 75. Then add Fade Out animation. Next, copy the white overlay and place it at the beginning of the clips. Finally, go to Video Effects, select Halo Blur. Reduce the length and place it on the first video. Now, export the video. So here's the final results. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you.